Hello everyone, Brian here and welcome to our channel. Today I want to share with you how I set up a brand new fly fishing reel. We are going to need a new fly reel, your choice of backing, and your favorite fly line. I'm setting up a new Econ 101 reel that I purchased from our friends at Pescador on the Fly. Check out their website in the description below. They have awesome deals for travel fly rods. Start by removing the spool from the reel. Set aside the reel for now. This will vary from brand to brand, so make sure you check the manual as soon as you open the package. Get your backing and pull about 2 feet of line from it and loop it around the spool. To lock the loop to the spool, I use the Uniknot. I use this knot because I find that the arbor knot fails for me when I'm using this type of backing. Let me know in the comments below what type of knot you use when you're connecting your backing to your reel. Once the knot is secured, you can snip the tag end off close. Place the spool back in the reel and lock it in place. Grab a pen or pencil and insert it into the backing spool. And then hand it over to your favorite person to hold while you talk about the next fishing trip. Start reeling in the backing. Make sure that you evenly cover the spool to avoid tangles later on. The amount of backing needed will depend on the size of the reel and the line that will be used, so feel free to experiment with what works best for your setup. Ideally, you would need to have enough backing that your fly line sits comfortably in the reel and not be overspooled. While we reel in the backing, I'd like to take some time to thank our viewers for checking out our video, and would really appreciate if you hit the like button. If you dislike the video, feel free to hit the dislike button twice. Once you are satisfied with the amount of backing in your reel, grab about a 3-foot length of backing and double it over to form a big loop. You'll see why I have a big loop instead of a smaller one later on. Use a triple surgeon's knot to lock the loop in place. You can also use a perfection loop here, but I prefer the security that the triple surgeon's knot provides. Now connect the fly line to the backing. Find the end of the fly line that goes to the reel. Usually, it is labeled this end to the reel. Insert the loop from the backing through the loop in the fly line. This is where the big loop in the backing will help. Insert the whole fly line through the big loop. Pull the two lines together to complete the loop-to-loop connection. Start reeling in the fly line into the reel. Most fly lines comes with hardware similar to what we had in the backing to help transfer the line to your reel. This one came without one. As you can see, I managed to overspool the backing, causing the fly line to touch the reel. I took out the line later on and removed some backing to make the line fit better. Once you're happy with the setup, you can connect your leader to your fly line using a loop-to-loop connection. I use a perfection loop on my leaders. You can connect the leader to your fly line the same way it was connected to the backing. You can also use the nail knot to connect your leader to your fly line. That is how I set my new fly reel up. Hope you find value in this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing if you have not done so already. Thank you and see you again on the next video.